kasi ako, hindi ba you know it? Hi everyone, if this is the first time you're watching, welcome to my channel. My name is Laurenz and here I transform spaces without breaking the bank. And all the pretty things that you see on Instagram and Pinterest, we're bringing them to your spaces. For today's episode, I'll show you my room here in Singapore and how I managed to squeeze all the things from the previous bedroom. Yes, I moved out and transferred just to the next bedroom, which is smaller than the first. I know that space would be an issue, and that's going to be our biggest challenge. I know most of you also face the same issue. There's just so many things, but so little space. I have a single bed, a TV console, a side table, a small cabinet, a coffee table, and 2 chairs. And I'm adding a computer desk as well. Now, how do we put all these things together in a small room? This is the plan. This is going to be the floor plan. I'm putting the bed right next to the window. Next to the bed is why I intend to put the side table. You may have seen it from the previous video I have uploaded. If you have not watched it yet, it's going to play right after this video. The location of the cable point decided where the TV is going to be placed, and that's going to be opposite my bed. Beside the TV, I'm putting the small cabinet for extra storage. Unfortunately, with the remaining space, I can't afford to keep the coffee table. I'm letting it go, but that's fine because I have my new computer desk. For this new bedroom, we're going to update the Scandinavian theme that I had from the previous bedroom. We're adding some bold colors, more patterns, but still keeping the functionality. The main ingredient is minimalism with a hint of modern and mid-century design. This is the mid-century bedroom. Oops, I have 60 seconds to talk about mid-century design. Mid-century design style is characterized by clean lines, sleek curves, and geometric shapes. You'll see lots of wood with natural finishes. The use of short legs, some extremely tapered, created the floating look that characterizes many mid-century pieces. The color palette of the mid-century era ranged from burnt umber, olive green, mustard yellow, and pumpkin orange, and even black. That's less than a minute. For this new bedroom, this is the mood board. Now that we have the plan, let's begin styling. This gallery wall is the focal point of this room. I got rid of the black and white theme. Notice how I added pops of colors in the gallery wall. Look at those frames, mismatched with different styles, definitely mid-century. The color scheme now is not as strict as the Scandinavian design, but I was careful in choosing the colors to use. You'll see that burnt umber or brown and green are the dominant colors that's going to be repeated in the entire design. This chair is definitely mid-century. Look at those legs. There's lots of wood going on in the floor. Next to my desk is my side table. I have changed the gray lampshade to green, which was only $7.90 from IKEA. I turned this candle holder to a plant holder, and the geometric pattern and code makes a good combination for this modern mid-century design. There's nothing much on the side table, so let's move to my bed. It's just white, so I ordered this leather-like pillowcase from Shopee for $8. The quality is really good. This is the same color found on the gallery wall, so we are repeating the colors to ensure consistency in the entire design. I'm adding a throw blanket for an additional statement. On the other side of the room, you'll notice that I added this part to brighten the entire look of the cabinet. I got it from IKEA. It is only $3.90. I didn't want to go wild with another gallery wall, so I decided to use a simple artwork, still with patterns. This cabinet is keeping all the clutter. I have snacks inside and other things that needs to be accessible. There are random things inside, from biscuits, bond papers to toothpaste. I hope you enjoyed the bedroom update and room tour. Not a massive transformation, but the addition of small details really make a lot of difference. In case I inspire you to do this kind of design, don't forget to tag me on Instagram. I always hear people say like, comment, and subscribe. Now I understand why. Because the only way we know if you appreciate our videos is through pressing that like icon and subscribe button. So the next time you watch a video, be generous and like their videos. Subscribe to their channels as well. And let's continue to support each other. You have no idea how happy we are whenever we see that new subscriber notification. It really inspires me to create more content. That's it for today. Hanggang sa muli, ako po si Laurenz. Thanks for watching.